Okay, guys, going to ask Scruff in the Trader Clinic of the Discord. This one's for Peter. Little salute to you. So let's have a little look. Planning on joining Monday, no problem at all. But I thought I would ask the question that might benefit others as well. I know we go from level to level, indeed. And I know golden eye rules and you're comfortable with your buy sheet. My question, when would you use golden eye targets when targets are based on an ATR and the buy sheet summary tab? If your golden eye says 20 pips, but your target on the buy sheet says 30 pips, or is it which would you choose? Right, okay. Very simple question to answer. First of all, you never chase markets based on a target. You base a target based on what the market is willing to give. Now, golden eye is essentially level to level or zone to zone, depending on how you've drawn it in. And what you're looking for there is the first barrier. So if you've got 20 pips from your entry point and it's moving up to the first barrier. Now, if that barrier happens to be a key fib, Kylie level, or an SNR level, support and resistance, that's as far as that market is willing to give you at this moment in time, because those levels become bounce points. So if you, for argument's sake, you've got 20 points or 20 pips running into said level, but the sheet says you could possibly get 30, I would stick with the 20 because there's a high probability it's going to bounce off it. But if I've got space to go from one zone to the next zone and I can easily put the 30 inside it, I would use the 30 as a minimum criteria and then try and get it to the level above that. So what I'm essentially doing is I'm always targeting the next bounce point, and that keeps me safe. Hope that makes sense. Catch you all in the next one.